4th of July, 2013, with my song on. No? Check out my name.
We're so patriotic.
We're all about the flag today. Speed up, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal. So we're fighting all day, but her outfit's cute. I can't be mad at her because she's too hot. Sucks. Never have a hot girlfriend. Can't stay mad.
I can't stay mad at you either.
That's a lie. We're looking for parking and we can't find crap.
Nope.
But it's okay. I'm off. We're having fun. It's my song.
Hello, we are here at the Ferry building.
Yep.
For 4th of July. We figured we'd walk here at the fireworks. Check this out. It's like those old school signs. That was so cool, you missed it. But well, I was suggesting to take the ferry, but he doesn't want to. Look, ferry.
There's a boat race right there.
There's the boat race. That's the start of America's Cup. Dude, it is so nice. It's so nice today.
No.
It smells like Philippines. Well, because it smells like seafood. Seafood. Oh, there's the gods. Ooh, I like their font. The slanted door.
I noticed that too.
Of course you did. My boyfriend's so stylish.
Oh god. Here we go again.
He is. And I love him. I am not. There's the alarm to something. Okay, we're gonna find something to eat. Come, baby.
Yeah.
San Francisco treat. I'm just glad that they have one here.
I'm good. Right on, man.
Yum yum. You can't resist the smell of bacon wrapped hot dogs. If it's there, I'm sorry, but we're getting it.
Yeah.
Especially if we're hungry. Are you crazy?
God. So good.
Eat it. So, you're lucky with that.
Man, we got lucky.
Yeah, what the heck?
hell?
That's so random that they would be there.
This is so good.
So we asked how much it would be to take a pedicab to the pier, and they said $20 for the both of us. Is that worth it? I don't know. But see, look, there's one right there. Oh, you can't see it because it's that guy. See? $20 to go to the pier. We have legs. We can walk. Maybe on the way back we can take one. Good.
Good. I'll eat half and then you can have the rest. Oh
My
God.
baby's so sweet.
So good.
He has everything with me. Yummy. That's it.
Try it. There's probably food all over my beard. I bet you.
Oh my god.
There's right on the tip of her nose we have mustard. And probably all over my beard.
That's very white.
Saw a lot of cute dogs today. It's crazy.
What's this hard one?
Soul food?
Kind of like what we ate.
God.
Boats have a security system. Is this a store? Did they move here, like, permanently? Is the other one not here anymore? They have a store. Ooh. No, I think you have to pay. So there's this thing here that basically shows you how to ollie. That's cool. And it's made out of this like really awesome thing made of decks. Strokes for turning, ollie physics, how to ollie. They're looking at it right now. And then inside, oh look at this.
What the hell?
Oh, there's a little kid in there who's learning to ollie.
So cool.
Hey, I'm gonna see.
Wait, did you learn?
No, I don't want to learn. Wait, I don't get it. Oh, there's a chain on it. Well, me and baby know about all this stuff. We used to build these things.
Work here. Step right up.
They're good for tricks. What? Show them how to do it,
Just
baby.
gonna pretend like I work here. No.
No.
I'm not messing up my nights to ollie.
Here's some of the boats. Red Bull, Artemis, and something else. And we are inside. They made us throw away our water bottle.
Yep.
Right, baby?
Yes. Sucks.
It's okay. This is cool. So, we can come here later for the fireworks. We can totally see it here. Up there in the Puma yard. Ready? Okay, we're gonna try and do this Puma yard picture thing.
Spanglish.
Spanglish, okay. Great.
Lean back. It says. Ready? Go.
Push the red
Did it work?
I don't know.
Start.
I did. I pressed the red. Oh, there.
Oh.
See? Oh, there.
5, 4, 3, 2.
We found murder! And their little humble abode here in San Francisco. Oh, he's holding his hand. How cute. So, I closed off Embarcadero, or part of it at least, for the fireworks, I'm sure, for 4th of July. Pretty cool. Got this couple making out or doing something over here.
Nice.
We got competition, baby.
Oh, no, we don't.
Oh, really?
I don't think so.
No? He doesn't seem to think so. Ooh,
Look at this.
So where are we gonna eat, baby?
We'll figure it out.
Baby and I are trying to find food. There's all this stuff. Fried stuff. What do you think, baby?
They're all the same, $8.75.
You want here? And you want Applebee's?
Oh, baby, you want Applebee's. Okay, bring
Only
it up. Let's go.
because so that we can sit and rest for a minute
Okay.
before we go.
Let's
You
do
know
it.
what I mean?
Yeah.
And then,
Well, we're going to be sitting and resting anyway.
well, yeah, but we gotta walk back.
Alright, let's go. We're eating at... Is that what it's called?
Carmel Pizza
Carmel
Company.
Pizza? Firewood Pizza. And then we're gonna go... Where are we going after?
We're gonna see if we could get a spot on the lawn where we can go into margaritas.
And get alcohol? Yeah? Look at my nose. Am I getting burned? Probably. Right, again? Like how my nose got burned. My baby. God, we're matching. Look at that.
G. This is his. I'm just borrowing it.
And this is mine. I'm just wearing my own crap. My hair is crazy.
I like your hair. Stop! I like it.
You like everything. So, who was a bad girl last night?
I was.
You learned your lesson.
No more.
I didn't get any.
I promise no more. I got. Sorry.
So they have sold out. We were lucky enough to get a taste of that. So we found a spot on the green grass. And it's pretty... Okay. Do that, we're gonna get in trouble. Look, it's pretty empty. We have a lot of space around us. And we have a nice view of the boats. I don't know if you can see them.
Nice.
And oh, I didn't even get to show you because we were so hungry because it took forever for this pizza. But look. Their garlic bread is even like a pizza. It's really good. There's baby recording me, recording him. Yeah. Because that's what we do. Nice. Little setup.
Yeah, nice little campsite. So this is an hour, or it's 8, right?
Yeah, so we have to
Maybe
wait.
9:15, 9:30.
We have to wait for the sun to go down.
Yeah?
And the sun is still right there.
Yeah.
You probably can't see us, but they just showed some fireworks.
Some mini fireworks.
Some illegal fireworks. I don't know if you can see our view.
No.
No. See, maybe you can see the light post. And you can hear our voices.
Listen to our voices.
Listen.
Of fireworks.
Yeah. Oh, look! Oh, illegal fireworks are great. Oh, baby.
That was cool.
What is that thing? Is that a plane or a firework or what the heck is that?
It's a red firework.
It's a UFO.
It's a UFO.
Uy, hala.
Yeah. That's not good. I'm scared.
Look at this. There's two. And they're covering the entire sky. Ready? Woo! Yeehaw! America!
What? Yeah.
Happy birthday, America!
Spring break.
Oh, they ended early. It's only 9:52. So I don't know if you can see us, but fireworks just ended, and look at the streets. It's crazy out here, son. All that sound for that. Nothing. So, we're on our way back. We got our little Red Bull. Dude, this is so bad. Have you tried it yet? The Red Bull? No. Yeah, you know. Trying to keep energized. Look at this. Why would you drive? So we're hoping that there's no terrorist attacks today here at America's Cup. America. So we're trying to get the hell out of here before anything happens. Do it! No! Go!
ready, pause, return, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on, to the left. To the left, to the left. There you go. Now kick it, kick it.
Right.
Take it, take it. Turn it, turn it. To the right, to the right. To the left. Kick it, kick it.
Ah, shit.
Turn. You better watch it because we're coming. You got another one, Mr. Beck.
That's that slap right there.
Nice, San Francisco out there. Make some noise out there, y'all. We are called the Midnight Warriors. San Francisco's
Like that, baby?
I liked it. Loved it.
But careful, careful, don't.
Go, baby.
Thrown in the street. There's cops. Oh no, that sucks. So we're trying to make it back to the car. It's actually not that bad. We're already back onto Market.
Almost there, baby girl.
We're already almost there. We got 2 more blocks to go and we're at our car.
Got to do a little shuffle dance.
Yeah, baby was enjoying that. Super hardcore. If you can't see it, I hope you can see it. Hopefully I'm not too shaky. I'm pretty shaky. But it's probably dark, so we'll see you later.